Choosing the right treadmill for your home gym is a significant decision. It's an investment in your health and fitness, so it's crucial to find one that fits your needs, budget, and space. While I can't physically experience these treadmills, I've delved deep into their features, user reviews, and expert opinions to provide an insightful comparison. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial 2450. This powerhouse treadmill lives up to its name. Boasting a -6% decline and 15% incline, it mimics real-world terrain, challenging your muscles and burning serious calories. The 22 inches touchscreen offers immersive IFIT workouts, from scenic runs to studio classes, kept fresh with daily content. My experience, it's like having a personal trainer and gorgeous landscapes in your living room, but the price tag reflects its features, so be prepared for an investment. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Sulfur Monofluoride T4400 Folding Incline Treadmill. This budget-friendly option surprised me with its smooth operation and sturdy build. While basic, it delivers the essentials: 12 incline levels, 9 miles per hour speed, and a heart rate monitor. Perfect for walkers and light joggers, it folds up compactly for space-saving storage. Bonus points for the cup holder. Hydration is key, however. If you crave fancy features and intense workouts, look elsewhere. Number 3. Soul Fitness F63 Treadmill. If joint health is a concern, the F63's cushioning system is heaven sent. It absorbs impact like a champ, making it ideal for longer walks or low-impact runs. The integrated fan and Bluetooth connectivity are thoughtful touches, and the price point is reasonable. My experience, a comfortable and quiet companion for steady-state cardio, but not for speed demons. Number 4. Bowflex Treadmill 22. This sleek machine boasts a unique curved treadmill design, simulating natural running motion. It's a conversation starter for sure, and the 22 inches HD touchscreen with JRNY workouts provides ample entertainment. Plus, the integrated Flex Select dumbbells offer strength training options. However, the curved design might not suit everyone's running style, and the price tag is hefty. Number 5. NordicTrack Commercial X22i. This treadmill is the X22i's tech-savvy sibling. It features a massive 22 inches touchscreen, immersive IFIT workouts with automatic incline and decline adjustments, and even live coaching. It's the ultimate home gym experience, but again, at a premium price. My experience, it's like having a high-end fitness studio in your home, complete with a virtual cheerleader pushing you to your limits.